Good morning, third graders. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to access your Scarsdale Schools IXL account. Before I begin, I really want to stress that many of you already have a private IXL account through a personal email or a parent's email. For today and going forward, whenever you are given an assignment on IXL by your classroom teacher, Mrs. Boyer, Mrs. DeGrazia, Mrs. Luciano, or Mrs. Mangan, you have to access your Scarsdale Schools IXL account because the assignments will not be on your private IXL account. So here's how you're going to do that. You're going to come to Heathcote Gateway, which will be a link provided to you on your daily blog today, and it's going to bring you right to this page. Now there's 3 ways to get onto the third grade page. Up here at the top, it says third grade. If you scroll down, it also says third grade over here. And then any of these little buttons here, the one that says third grade is another way to access the third grade page. So when you click on this, you're going to eventually be brought to the third grade Heathcote Gateway page, and you are going to scroll down until you see IXL. Now, as I said before, this IXL link right here is tied to Scarsdale Union Free School District. So if you go to your private account and you try to log in with your Scarsdale username and password, it will not bring you to your classroom account. You have to access this through Scarsdale Schools Heathcote Gateway. So just like everything else, your username is your standard username. First initial, last name, graduation year. So here you have an example, but for boys and girls in third grade, your username will be something like this: D. Luciano 29. Our graduation year is 29. Now your password is your Google password. So it's your first initial, your last initial, and your 6-digit number. So to get to this Scarsdale Union Free School District IXL account, you have to click on this link. It will bring you to this page. And you will know you're here because it has our school name up here, and it also says at SUFSD. So in here, you are going to log on using your first initial, last name, 29. And I'm going to be using a student in my class. Now, you do not have to put at scarsdaleschools.org. If you do that, it will not let you log in, and many of you might experience some problems. You just need to put your first initial, last name, 29. And then you're going to scroll down or click into this box, and your password is your first initial, last name, and your 6-digit code. You can hit Remember Me on your home account, but make sure that when you hit Remember Me, you are under your browser for your account, not under your parents, not under your brothers. You are under the People feature, and it's your school, Scarsdale Schools account. You're going to hit Sign In, and then you're going to be brought to this page. Now there's many different options, as you'll see. You have math, science, social studies. You have other recommended activities for third grade, skills that we have been working on throughout the year. But for today, you're going to go to math right here. You're going to click onto math. And then when you scroll down, you're going to look for third grade. It's the red tab. You're going to come over here to where it says See All 411 Skills, and you're going to click on the red section. Now, as you know, you might notice that there are a ton of different choices here. Every skill set that we have worked on in third grade, or ones that we have not yet worked on in third grade, are categorized by letter and number. So we're going to be directing you to a specific group of skills that we want you to practice for today. You're going to do the first skill, which is going to be G. So we're going to scroll all the way down until we see the letter G. And right here, you are only going to tackle 1 through 4, multiplication tables for 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you put your cursor over top it, you will see some of the types of questions that they will ask you. So for example, if I'm going to tackle the first one, I'm going to click onto that link, and it will bring me to this page. So I'm going to finish and complete this answer 10 times 9, and I will write the answer in here using my keyboard, and then I'd hit submit. If I was correct, it will respond with super job, excellent, correct. If it's wrong, it will prompt you with incorrect. I'm not going to tackle this right now for you because this is one of my students' accounts and I want them to tackle it. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to be brought back to this choice menu. Again, you're doing G, multiplication fluency, 1, 2, 3, and 4. However, the next skill area that you're going to be doing is just conveniently right across, and it's under BB, capital BB, units of measurement. The number we want you to focus on today is 19. Compare and convert metric units of weight. And as you recall, we have been working with grams and kilograms. So this is just a review of the metric unit of weight with kilograms and grams. So when you click on this link, it's going to bring you to this page, and you are going to write the answer. How many grams are in 1 kilogram? You're going to write the answer in here and hit submit. So just to reiterate, you are going to access your IXL account through Heathcote Gateway. Remember, it is not your private IXL account. This is your Scarsdale Schools account. Going forward, your teacher will be assigning you specific skills to tackle. However, today, when you get onto your IXL account, you are going to go to Math 3rd grade, and you are going to be looking for G, multiplication fluency, numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, and BB, capital BB, units of measurement, number 19. Going forward, we'll use this again, and you will be probably pre-assigned some different skills to focus on, but we wanted you to explore this today, and we would like to see if you can figure out how to get to this page and access the specific skill areas that we are going to ask you to focus on. We hope you have fun. Good luck.